Hi, hello, welcome back to our Kavi Academy. Today I bring the topic Class 12 Business Study, first chapter Nature and Significance of Management. Just you should observe the title Nature and Significance. About for what? Management. Nature is defining character, behavior, or reflection. Now come to significance. Significance is defining important scope need for management. In this chapter, the center of the management, we are briefly discussion to the natures and we are discussion to the what are the importance of the management. Now we'll talk about for the introduction of management. Introduction, before we go into for introduction of management, I'll say what you think about for management in a personal life is important or not. Yes. See, in your family, each and every person you are managing things perfect on time means you can reach your own destiny. In the same way, in your organization or in your business, you can perfect time you can complete your task, and your visionary should be strong. Definitely can you succeed in your life. In the same way, the management is clearly defined to all the characters and all the significance. The management should be following entire worldwide the systems and process. That is the reason the management is important to each and every business nowadays. Now come to introduction. Management is a universal concept. Universal means entire worldwide. It's a need for management process, need for management strategies, need for management system. In India also is following, or UK or USA, whichever country also, it's a following of management system, strategies and scope. Next come to management is a following to for the big companies and as well as the small companies. See, my companies will be not for the larger company. I have for the small company, can I implement for the management? Definitely. The management is no what a differentiation between two for the whether you are larger or a medium or you are a small company. The management can be implemented for each and every organization, because you are when you are managing your things means you can achieving your organization objective. For small company also we need objective. For the larger company also we need objective. Without objective we never imagine our business structure. In the same way, so management should be second point. The management is a following of to the larger company or a medium or a small business or company. Next come to for the management have the capacity to bring the all the human resources and non-human resources. See, all human resources and non-human resources means what? All the employees and all the missionaries. Example, the two should bringing together and taking work from them to achieving of their objective is management have the capacity. Third point, management have the capacity to bring the all the resources of the human being and non-human being merging to achieving of organizational objective. Yes, management have its following for the non business organization or business organization, whether you're making of the profit or you're making of the non-profit also, is business is must and should important of each and every business. Next, management is a continuous process. See, management today on today task should be completed means again tomorrow is ready for next task. So management have the capacity to for the following of continuous process. So we have to discussion the little shortcut of the introduction of management. Concept of management. Why management is important, we have to implement in a business. The many reasons, the many organizations is implementing for management system. The management is giving for increasing of your organization. Management is and will be increasing of your strength of effective and efficiency, and management is giving for strength and motivation to for your employees. Again, management is giving capacity to for your tackle for your competition. Again, management is giving for the plan to plan for your schedule of the work. Again, management is will be how to develop and successfully your organization to entire worldwide. Through many reasons, we have to concept implementing for each and every business. The broadly classified into concept of the management two approaches, tradition approach and modern approach. Modern approach along with the tradition approach, they given own definition of the management. Now we'll talk about for the tradition approach the management meaning. Management is art of getting things done with the help of the others order to achieving of organizational objective. Means management is art. Art means what? See example, in you can take painter, its own way of art skill. Art means what? Skill. Management have the skill to achieving of organizational objective. How? Will taking others help, human being and non-human being will merge and will taking help and achieving of our objective. So management is art. For where will be there your skill? In the all the human activities and non-human activities through will achieving of our organizational objective. So simple, management is art of getting things from for whom? From others. And others means maybe for the human being and maybe for the non-human being. From others to why? To help of to for my organization of objective. So it's according to for the tradition approach of the management meaning. Modern approach meaning, management is a process the getting things done with the aim of organizational objective or goal and through the effective and efficiency. See, management is a process. Process means what? I'll next video definitely I can describe the what is the process of the management, but process means continuous. Continuous means what? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. So management is a process of continue this all the process to getting things all the employees and non-human being activities through achieving of my aim. Means my aim is my organization objective or a goal through the effective and efficiency. What is effective? Effective means the task should be complete within a time. Effectiveness, the task should be complete minimum resources. Example, see I said for the employees, today you complete this task. That employees they will be complete within a time. My task definitely that effectiveness is satisfied. Come to effectiveness. Effectiveness means what? I given the resources in the within the resources you should finish my target. They have what I given resources, in that resource only they have completed for the target means definitely the effectiveness should be satisfied. In the management of the process, in the two it's whichever one is failed also definitely that management is not succeed in the organization. That's the reason, see within a time should be complete for task along with the minimum resources. So management with the modern approach is clearly described that management is a process, the following all the process, all the functions, the management is a following of the, all the process. Why? Because the my aim of achieving of my objective through the effective along with the efficiency, the two things to I achieving of my objective according to for the modern approach of management. See, in this video until we have discussed of management, introduction of management, concept of management, modern approach meaning, again tradition approach meaning. See who they are watching my first time my video, please subscribe because you will catch my next video.